Now, every time someone submits your form, their details will go straight into your ActiveCampaign contact list, tagged and ready to be used however you like. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next.Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and here in the search bar, type in Next.Blocks. Once you spot it, click on Install Now, and then hit Activate. Set, the free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now on to the checkout page. Here Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here, simply we'll need to navigate to Plugins, then Add New and click on Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and click on Install Now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Next.Blocks, Dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set. And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Next.Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Next.Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Now, moving ahead, let's continue to set up our first integration, which is ActiveCampaign. If you are a kind of marketer who loves tags, lead scoring, and automated sales funnels, this connection is gold. And the best part, it's super easy to connect. So, after you have selected ActiveCampaign from the drop down here under Action After Submit, you will notice a few new options appear, which contains fields for API URL and API key. Now, to get that, just log into your ActiveCampaign account, head over to Settings in the lower left corner, and then click on Developer from the sidebar. Now here, you will find both your API URL and API key. Just copy those and paste them here into the respective fields inside form. Set. That's pretty much it. Now, every time someone submits your form, their details will go straight into your ActiveCampaign contact list, tagged and ready to be used however you like.